Hi, I am Krishnaveni, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, Kamadin Arts and Science College, Satyamangalam. Today we are going to discuss about video display device. Video display device, the primary output device in a graphic system is a video monitor. The operation of the most video monitor is based on the CRT, that is cathode ray tube. The basic operation of a CRT. The beam of electrons emitted by the electron gun passes through focusing and diffraction system that direct the beam towards specified positions on the phosphorus coated screen. This is the diagram for CRT. So here we have the connector pins and the base. This one is the electron gun. The electron gun is connected with base. So this one is the pair of focusing system and magnetic deflection coils. Then we have the phosphorus coated screen and this one is the electron beam. So the beam of electron is emitted by the electron gun passes through the focusing systems and magnetic deflection coils. Next we have reference CRT. The phosphorus then emit a small spot of light at each position is contacted by the electron beam. Because the light is emitted by the phosphorus, one way to keep the phosphorus glowing is to redraw the picture repeatedly by quickly directing the electron beam back over to the same point. This type of display is called the reference CRT. Next we have the filament. The primary components of an electron gun in a CRT are heated metal cathode and the control grid. The heat is supplied to the cathode by directing the current through a coil of wire. This is called as the filament. This is the diagram for operation of an electron gun with the accelerating anode. Here we have the heating filament, cathode, control grid. This one is the focusing anode and this one is the accelerating anode and this is the electron beam path. So the cathode is placed inside the control grid and inside the cathode we have the heating filament. So the focusing anode and accelerating anode used to direct the electron beam path. The electron gun is built to containing the accelerating anode and focusing system within the same unit. The intensity of the electron beam is controlled by setting voltage level on the control grid, which is a metal slider that fit over the cathode. The high negative voltage applied to the control grid will shut off the beam by repelling the electrons and stopping them from passing through the small hole at the end of the control grid structure. A small negative voltage on the control grid simply decreasing the number of electrons passing through. Since the amount of light is emitted by the phosphorus coating depends on the number of electrons is striking the screen. We control the brightness of a display by varying the voltages on the control grid. The electrostatic focusing is commonly used in television and computer graphics monitors. With electrostatic focusing, the electron beam passes through a positively charged metal cylinder that forms an electrostatic lens. The action of the electrostatic lens focusing the electron beam at the center of the screen. The electron beam will be focused properly only at the center of the screen. As the beam moves to the outer edge of the screen, the display images become blurred. The deflection of the electron beam can be controlled either with electric field or with the magnetic field. The cathode ray tubes are constructed with magnetic deflection coils is mounted on the outside of the CRT envelope. Here we have two pairs of coils are used with the coils in each pair is mounted on opposite side of the neck of the CRT envelope. One pair is mounted on the top and another one is mounted on the bottom of the neck. And another pair is mounted on the opposite side of the neck. The magnetic field produced by each pair of coils result in transverse the deflection force in the perpendicular both to the direction of the magnetic field and to the direction of the travels of the electron beam. The horizontal deflection is accomplished with one pair of coils and the vertical deflection is accomplished with another pair of coils. The proper deflection amount are attained by adjusting the current through the coil. Thank you.